Hey everyone, are you wondering how much storage space is being used in Yahoo Mail? In this video, we'll show step-by-step how to check Yahoo Mail storage so emails can be managed and storage kept under control. Yahoo Mail provides a large amount of storage for emails and attachments. This space can be managed by deleting old emails, clearing the spam folder, or using the sort feature to find and delete large attachments. Access these features by clicking the profile icon and viewing the storage page indicator. Checking available space on Yahoo Mail helps monitor how much storage is left for emails and attachments. This prevents issues with sending or receiving messages, helps manage large files, and keeps the mailbox organized by deleting or archiving unnecessary emails. Let's move on. First, open a browser and go to yahoo.com. After reaching the page, log into the account. After logging in, you will be redirected to the app. To access Mail, click the envelope logo to go to Yahoo Mail. If you are not sure where to find storage information and want to check storage, it's simple. Just look for the settings in Yahoo Mail. To find Yahoo Mail settings, go to the left side of the page and click More with 3 dots. Click this, then select Manage Storage. In this section, for example, 191.1 megabytes of 1 terabyte storage has already been used. Here, all the storage details in Yahoo can be seen, including media, documents, and email addresses. To free up space, just delete emails that are no longer needed. Click the email trash to create more space in storage. That's it. Now it's clear how to check available storage in a Yahoo Mail account. Keeping an eye on storage helps manage emails better and avoid hitting the limit unexpectedly.